Hey guys, my name is James Mason. I'm one of the co-founders for Transparent Traders. I just wanted to show you a quick day trade I took today. This is March 21st. This is
MU
ticker
is looking like.
MU. So this trade, I was in it for just a little over 4 minutes. I made $150 profit.
MU's rising, I bet.
It's pumping up.
City's down 50 cents.
If I can catch, I know it's a little bit early jumping in, but if I can catch MU, pull back just real quick, or I can tap it, I'll go long in it just for a quick trade. See how much these cost anyways.
Wow, MU really shooting up.
Yeah, they hit the scanner, but I mean it's still a little early.
Ooh, there's some pullback. Well,
It's pulling back hard now.
I don't know. I don't like MU very much. It seems to be too volatile for me.
Let's look at the daily.
Like it's going up one week, then it's going down the next week, then it's up another week.
Actually, it's pretty. Let me see how this next candlestick opens. Come on, go red. I'm gonna sweet by 5.
What are you looking at? Strike wise?
The see 42 and a half. Okay, I feel that 98 cents. Oh man, that was a perfect entry right there. Golly, that was good.
2 weeks
Man.
out, right?
I think that's the 29th. Yeah, that's the 29th. So 8 days. I'm just gonna dump this one here short. Let me do some quick math. Get my percentages right. Okay.
Well, I think I'm making a play on City.
Oh, how did AMD work out for you?
It's still down.
Okay.
But City kind of traced up and then it's dropped down again.
Yeah. All right. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna just drop 30% margin on this one real quick.
Yep, you're good.
128. 42.90. Okay, 42.90 is realistic. Oh man, this one probably go more than 30%, honestly. Oh well, I ain't gonna be greedy. I'm just gonna take 30%. I mean, I can't complain with 30%, you know? Like,
Don't screw yourself.
Yeah, I've done that before. I mean, heck, I did on Bowen the other day, where I had $175 profit, and I was like, nah, I want it to go more, make more for me, and
Right.
I let $100 slip on it.
Damn.
All right, the Dow is 14.5 points green.
Wow. Those spreads on Biogen just went crazy.
What is it now for the that 255 strike? Yeah,
For the 255 strike, it's 25.50.
man, because you remember when we was looking at it pre-market, it was 80 cents.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a wow. $25 spread.
Man.
Whew. That's insane.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's dropped down to, oh, no, it's just sitting right there, $25 on the spread.
Man, just having one contract of that, I mean, that would have just been a straight gamble. But, you know,
one contract would have been 20 or $2,500.
Yeah. Made $2,500 profit and you only paid $80 for it. That's something. Yeah, just made 30%. How about that?
What's that?
I just made 30% profit on MU.
Hell yeah.
Way to go, James.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's just funny, though, that so many people are so resistant to just follow this system. I mean, it works so easy.
That's exactly why they don't believe you, James.
Oh, man.
It's because it is so easy that they're like, no way. There's no way this can work.
Yeah. I mean, it's just pure silliness. Like people can literally watch me do it and they just won't believe it.
Yeah.